Hi everyone, welcome to the Yarn Symphony. In this tutorial, I want to show you how to crochet a mini bow. You can use it as a keychain or a bag charm. This tutorial is for absolute beginners. You don't need to make a magic ring. Don't forget to like this video, it really makes me happy. Thank you. Let's start crocheting. This is my 30mm hook and this is the yarn I want to use. You can use any color that you want. If you want to use a bigger hook, then you need to use a thicker yarn. First of all, I want to show you how to make one slip knot. To make the slip knot, first you need your index finger. Make an X shape here. Do this. Now you made the slip knot here. Now you must have a loop, which is this one, a short tail, this one, and the working yarn. I want to insert my hook inside of the slip, like this. Hold the knot with your thumb and index finger and pull the working tail to make this loop tight. Don't make it too tight, your hook needs to move inside of the slip. To hold the hook, you can hold it like a pencil, like this, or just hold it like this. I want to hold the working tail with my index finger in this way. You see the working tail is moving inside of my index finger, or you can use other methods. One of them is this one. You see? You should hold it like this, but I just want to use my index finger. It's better for me. And you should hold this knot and the short tail with your thumb and middle finger, like this. Now I want to show you how to chain. Before making the chains, first you need to learn how to yarn over. To yarn over, first you need to take your hook to down, then behind of the working tail, twist your hook and grab the working tail. Let me show you again. So down, behind, twist, and grab the working tail. Now I want to pull this working tail through this loop on my hook. Like this. Now we have another loop on our hook. This is one chain. You see it looks like a V. Let me make one more. Yarn over and pull through. Now I have two chains. Do you see these V shapes here? Again, yarn over and pull through. Now I have three chains. You need to make 30 chains. Just like this. 4, 5, 6, and so on. Okay, now I have 30 chains. To count the chains, you need to count the V shape. If you accidentally chained more, like this, now I have 31 chains, you just need to take out your hook and pull the working tail, and again insert your hook inside of the last loop. This is how we undo a chain. Now I want to connect these two parts together like this to make a circle. So I want to insert my hook from the behind of the chain. You see the V shape here? This is the very first chain that you made. So I want to insert my hook inside of this chain. You see one loop of the chain is on my hook. Now I want to get the working tail. You see, this was the loop on my hook, and this is the loop of the chain on my hook. I want to yarn over, first pull through the chain. Now I have two loops on my hook. I want to pull this loop through this one. So grab it and pull it through, just like this. Now these parts are connected and we have a circle here. Okay, I want to use one stitch marker and I want to mark this last V shape here. This is my stitch marker. You can use a paper clip or anything else that you're comfortable with, like this. Now I want to chain one, yarn over and pull through. I need you to turn this part to see the V shapes. You see them here? Okay. This is the first V shape. I want to insert my hook in. So insert your hook inside of the V shape. One loop of the chain is on my hook. Yarn over, pull through the chain. Now I have 2 loops on my hook. You need to yarn over again and pull through these 2 loops. We call that one single crochet. I want to do this again inside of the next V shape. So insert your hook, 1 loop of the chain is on my hook, yarn over and pull through the chain, make 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. Now I have 2 single crochets. Again, on the left we have the next chain. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, 1 single crochet. I want to make 1 single crochet inside of each chain that you see around the circle until you get to here. You see that? This is going to be the last chain that you're going to make single crochet in. So make 1 single crochet inside of each chain until the end of the round, which is here, and then you will have 30 single crochets. This is gonna be the round 1. Okay, this is the end of the round 1, as you see. Now I want to take out the stitch marker. I don't want to make anything inside of this stitch. I want to insert my hook inside of this V shape, not this one. So insert your hook under the V shape. It's a little bit hard to insert your hook under this V shape. Yarn over, pull through. Now pull this loop through this one. Okay, great. Now again, I want to mark this stitch here, this V shape. Okay. Now again, chain 1. Inside of this V shape, next V shape, I want to insert my hook under the V shape, yarn over and pull through the V shape, make 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops, make 1 single crochet. Again on the left, under the V shape, you see the V shape on my hook, yarn over and pull through and make 1 single crochet. Again on the left, 1 single crochet. Again, 1 single crochet. So this one was the slip stitch. See the way that we make 2 loops on our hook and pull the first one through the second one, we call that a slip stitch. This was the chain here, and from here we made the single crochets. You need to make 1 single crochet under each V shape that you see around the circle until here. This is going to be the last single crochet that you make. So finish this round and make 1 single crochet inside of each stitch and do the same thing for the next rounds. You must have 5 rounds of single crochet. So finish this 5 rounds and then I'm going to be here. Okay, after the round 5, I want to take out the stitch marker. I don't need it. Now inside of this V shape, under this V shape, not this one, I want to insert my hook and make 1 slip stitch, which is yarn over, make 2 loops, pull this one through this one, like that. Now pull it. We need a long tail here. Pull it to make it tight. Now cut the yarn. Again, pull it. Okay, now I want to use my hook to bring this tail to the middle and inside of the bow. So first, insert your hook. Now the other tail. Now I want to tie knot 3 times here. Cut the tails. Okay, so this was the first part. Now I want to show you how to crochet the second part. To crochet the second part, first I want to make 1 slip knot. And insert my hook. Make it tight. Now I want to chain 26 like this. 1, 2, 3, and so on. After 26 chains, inside of the second chain from the hook, I want to make 1 single crochet. So this is the first chain from the hook, and this is the second chain from the hook. I want to insert my hook inside of the chain. 1 loop of the chain is on my hook. Yarn over and pull through. Make 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. 1 single crochet. Again, on the left we have the next chain. Insert your hook. Make 1 single crochet. Again, on the left, make 1 single crochet. Keep making single crochet inside of the chains until here. This is going to be the end of the row, and then you will have 25 single crochets, and this is going to be the row 1. Okay, this is the end of the row 1, and I have 25 single crochets. Now I want to start the row 2, so I'm going to turn this like this. Now inside of the very first V shape, do you see it here? I want to insert my hook under the V shape and make 1 single crochet. Again, on the left we have the next V shape. Insert your hook under the V shape and make 1 single crochet. Again, on the left, the next V shape. Do you see it? 1 single crochet. Keep making single crochets, 1 single crochet inside of each stitch until the end of the row, which is, let me show you, which is this stitch. You see this V shape here? And then after the row 2, you will have 25 single crochets. This is the end of the row 2, and I still have 25 single crochets. Again, I want to start the row 3, so turn it under the V shape, the very first V shape. I want to insert my hook and make 1 single crochet. Again, on the left, the next V shape, 1 single crochet. Again, on the left, 1 single crochet. Keep making single crochets until the end of the row 3, and then I'm going to be here. This is the end of the row 3, and I still have 25 single crochets. Now I want to chain 1, leave a tail, pull it to make it tight, and cut the yarn. Now I want to bring these 2 tails to somewhere here and tie knot. Now cut the tails. Now I want to show you how to connect these two parts. You need a long piece of the same yarn. You see, this is just a piece of the yarn. Now I'm going to put it right here. Put this one here. And then this one, like this. Now I want to connect them together in this way. Okay, I think it's enough. Now I want to connect one of these rings to here. It's optional. Now tie knot. One more. Again, one more time. And again, I want to tie knot on the back. Now you can cut the tails. So this is our new bow. This is the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit subscribe for any future videos. See you guys!